This is my 10th year at Fidelity, and I've been in banking for 39. Everything that I've worked on has really been focused on how do you leverage technology to improve how the customer either receives information or learns more about the bank so that they can be better informed to make the right decisions around their banking needs. POWER stands for Potential of Women Entrepreneurs Realized. We wanted the sources to be as local as we could get them, and we wanted all the content to be female, small business, entrepreneur focused. Over time, as people start reading it and start clicking it, it knows to deliver content around the subjects that they're interested in. That tool gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the messaging that you want to send and who the audience is. Initially, it was taking me probably an hour. Now, just by perusing it in about 10 minutes, I look at it and go, okay, I'm done. In today's world where everybody is wearing multiple hats, doing multiple things, it's not a question of whether or not you have the ability to do it. It's a question of whether or not you have the time to do it. We're a community bank. It's part of our job to help the businesses and the individuals in the community thrive and prosper. Based on the click rates and the open rates and all of that, you can tell that people are engaging, which from our perspective means we're adding value back to the client.